Subaru's new 3-row SUV, the 2019 Subaru Ascent, will start at $32,970 with destination when it arrives at dealers this summer. That price is for an 8-seat base model with a second-row bench seat and includes all-wheel drive, standard for all models, and Subaru's EyeSight safety and drive assistance technology with forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. The starting price for the all-new Subaru Ascent compares with base front-wheel drive models of 3-row rivals such as the 2018 Honda Pilot at $31,875, $32,025 for the 2018 Toyota Highlander and $31,675 for the new 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. All-wheel drive is optional on those competitors, and all are more expensive in AWD form than the Ascent. The Pilot and Highlander included a standard V6. The Atlas price is for the base 4-cylinder. A V6 is available. 2019 Albanian Lex Subaru Ascent models are powered by a new 260 horsepower, turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an updated version of Subaru's continuously variable automatic transmission. The new CVT features an 8-speed electronic manual mode with steering wheel paddle shifters. Towing capacity is up to 5,000 pounds. Subaru estimates the fuel economy rating for models with 18-inch wheels and standard equipment will be up to 21/27/23 mpg city highway combined. Fancier models with 20-inch wheels are estimated at 20/26/22 mpg. The Ascent's 8-seat version includes second and third row bench seats, both with 60/14 split folding seat backs. Also offered are 7-passenger versions with second-row captain's chairs. The 2019 Subaru Ascent will have 4 trim levels: Base, Premium, Limited and Touring. Trim level pricing and additional features are: Base, starting at $32,970. Includes all-wheel drive, EyeSight driver assist technology and a multimedia system with 6.5-inch touchscreen, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and 4 USB ports. Also standard are 3-zone automatic climate control, roof rails, 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, a conversation mirror and 19 cup holders. Premium, starting at $35,170 with a second-row bench seat and $36,630 with captain's chairs. This level adds more standard safety tech, including a blind spot warning, lane change assist and rear cross-traffic alert. A standard upgraded multimedia system adds an 8-inch display and Wi-Fi connectivity. Other additions included a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift lever handle, rear seat climate controls and a cold weather package with heated exterior mirrors, 3-mode heated front seats and a windshield wiper de-icer. The premium trim also adds more available options, including in-car navigation. Limited, starting at $39,970. This trim adds standard leather seats and the choice of a second-row bench or captain's chairs at no charge. Also standard on the Limited are adaptive LED headlights with high beam assist, 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, keyless access with push-button start, and a power tailgate. Touring, starting at $45,670. The top-of-the-line Touring model gets flashier exterior trim and a captain's chairs-only interior with its own Java brown leather seats, wood-look interior trim, a heated steering wheel and heated and ventilated front seats. Also standard are a navigation system, Harman Kardon premium audio, panoramic moonroof and a 180-degree front view camera. Multiple packages are also available that add higher-end trim options to lower-end trim levels, like a panoramic moonroof and 20-inch wheels to the Ascent Premium trim. Packages range from $1,460 to $2,950.
Tesla could have a sizable hit on its hands if it can ramp up production of the Model 3. As the cars trickle out of Tesla's Fremont, California factory, a first round of reviews are rolling out as well, calling the Model 3 extremely fast, well composed in a variety of driving situations, bolted together tightly and loaded with industry-first features. Here are some snippets from recent test drives. Consumer Reports said, "Our testers were impressed by our car's glued to the road handling, with steering that is quick and precise. Ride quality is a different matter. The car is overly stiff, struggling to absorb bumps with the dignity expected from a luxury car. There's also considerable wind noise at highway speeds." Motor Trend said, "Pressed to the road by its tail-heavy 48/52 weight distribution, the Tesla surfs away on a steep 307 pound-ft wave of torque. A 4.8-second 0–60 mph time pops on the screen, then the acceleration rate slightly fades as aerodynamics reel back against the motor's 271 horsepower. The torque is impressive, but I wonder if its acceleration seems exaggerated by the absence of engine noise to distract you from it." Road and Track said, "The interior is almost unrecognizable as an automotive design. The Model 3's dashboard is an exercise in fanatical minimalism. It's perfectly symmetrical, completely bereft of buttons, knobs, or any kind of moving parts. Save for twin stalks serving as the turn signals and gear selector, every control on the Model 3 is accessed from the central touchscreen." Car said, "Slipping behind the wheel of Tesla's newest EV feels like sliding into the future. A 15-inch touchscreen panel proudly signals an all-digital interface, and access is keyless and granted via smartphone. Perhaps in a few years such tech will seem as dated as a Nokia flip phone, but right now the Model 3 is the new iPhone of the motoring world." AutoWeek said, "The car is remarkably quiet. For a while I thought I heard a slight booming inside, but that was only because I'd flipped the rear seat down. Flipped up it was serenely silent. There's very little noise coming from the tires or from wind wafting over that bulbous exterior. On some electric cars, you can hear the motor whining a little intrusively, but not on the Model 3.
Australian actress and Nissan electric vehicle ambassador Margot Robbie hosted her first Facebook live stream, announcing that Nissan will premiere its new Formula E electric concept livery at the Geneva Motor Show in March 2018. The cameras, lights and equipment used to broadcast the live appearance were powered by the new Nissan Leaf battery. Margot Robbie said, "The world is going electric and technology is getting smarter. Even the cameras used for the broadcast were powered using the Nissan Leaf, something I never thought a car would be able to do. It's crazy in a way, but it's another simple demonstration of how we can change the way we drive and live to create a cleaner and more sustainable world for everyone." Nissan announced last year that it will enter the fast-growing Formula E series in the 2018-19 season. The all-electric series gives Nissan a highly visible global platform from which to spread the message of Nissan Intelligent Mobility, the three-pillar strategy to redefine how its vehicles are driven, powered and integrated into society. Nissan launched the second generation of the Nissan Leaf in the Middle East in November 2017. The car's features include the e-pedal, which reportedly allows the driver to start, accelerate, decelerate, stop, and hold the car with just the use of the accelerator pedal. The e-powertrain, which offers a power output of 110 kilowatts, 38% more than the previous generation Nissan Leaf.